Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Saturday, May the 7th, 2022. Actually, it's today, Sunday 8, May the 8th, 2022. No, in the edition of Saturday, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the additional of the Tuesday, May the 3rd, 2022. We have three puzzles left. Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic, and the binary. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 1 star. It's time now for the 2 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 4522. Yes, 4522. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. All right, 26. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Yeah, a lot of twos. How about the 2 in the first column, the 2 in the second column? So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this row. So no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first. Sorry, 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is... Nope, we have a 6 there. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? Well. 5 in this column. 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. Oh, 3, 4, 8. Yeah, I'm thinking. Okay. Yeah. 6. We have a 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 it goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Oh, wait. Then, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there in this column. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 7, I believe. Yes, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. Then we have a pair, 6 and a 9 in the first row, 6 and a 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Okay, so now we have yeah. I'm thinking. 9, 5, 8. Come on. 3. I'm thinking. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now. In the first row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. The 8 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now. In the second row, 4 numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 3, 7, 8. Okay, 3, 7, I'm thinking. We have all the twos, and all the twos are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. 6, 8, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 1. Still thinking. 9, 9, 4, 4. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3, okay. And now, 8, 8, 8. I'm scanning. 3, 9, 9. Come on. 8, 8, 8, 8. It's taking too long, but we have a pair. 1 and a 4 in the last row, 1 and a 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Then 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column. 3 in the column X, so in the last column, sorry, in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 3. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers now. In the middle row, 4 numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 8. Oh, wait, 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between, the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between, the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finishing 16 minutes. Told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I believe this one will my last Sudoku, because I'm collecting these data for the last week, for final week. So in the final week, maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern, collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. This is week number 10, I believe. And yeah, I will share you very, very soon with the data, and maybe you can conclude or find anything in those data. We have here the 285, 612, 612, 351, 351. We have here the 5 as a pair. 5 as a pair. And a 1 as a pair. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 3. Yeah, 2 pairs. All right. Thank you. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 1 star and the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.